Hello. So till now we have been seeing for loop printing the loop counter, sometimes forward, sometimes backward, sometimes with a jump. Now we are going to see something more. The for loop can also print the result of some calculation. What kind of calculation? Now let us look into the output. Now this is going to show me some other result what we have actually seen till now. Now don't go by the output window because we are going to look into some different output as soon as the object will get executed. So I right click on the object and I click on main. See the output. It is not same as the range that R is giving. R is giving 1, but what is getting printed is not 1. What is it? It is 10 I can see. Do you also see that the result of this calculation is getting printed? That means a for loop can do some calculations also. It doesn't have to print only the variable R directly. Okay. Now, I'll do a bit of change so that you can also see how beautifully a for loop can show me little more than what I can think of. Till now, I saw a variable, only one variable getting printed. But now, if I run this program, I think you will be able to see something which is different from what we have seen till now. Wait, I run the objects main. Checked. Wow, this is showing quite a few things. It is showing R. Now you see the variable R is there with value 1 in it. Then this portion which is a string. Now the string does not change with the execution. Every time the part which is inside the quotation mark, that says the same. And the variable or the calculation that is outside the quotation mark, that changes. Okay. So here R is 1 and this part is into 10 every time, and this is the result. So when the loop comes here, this goes back to the change which makes R 2. When R is 2, then this time 2 into 10 is equal to R is holding 2 and it is getting used once again. So that 2 into 10 gives me the result 20. Okay, check the output this time. After this, I will show you how I can take this up one more step. If I call the result as another variable which is now used to do the calculation, and here I print the variable which is going to store the calculation, then I'll have to declare it here. Every variable that is used must get declared. Okay. Now let us run this and see, does it work correctly? Let us check whether it's going to work correctly or not. And for that I will have to run the object. After that I have to execute the main. Wow. This brings us to one more concept which says that a new variable can be introduced and used. A loop need not have only one statement. Okay.